Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to do triceps workout. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like, share, and let's start with the warm up.
So yeah guys, here we are going to start our warm up. So we are going to start with our diamond push up. So let's do the diamond push up right now. So keep your hands bit diamondward or keep close to the chest and try to go up and down. So the reps will be 15 into 3 sets. And see the back should be straight and try to focus more on your triceps. So give more pressure on the back of your triceps. And see guys, you can see me, right? So keep on doing with us. So this is the warm up. So after this we'll start our workout. Okay guys, here we go with our first variation. So lying down skull crush in dumbbells. So see this form, keep your elbow straight and try to go up and down like this word. So see this form, so keep your elbow straight, you should not move your elbow should be constant, and try to do reps will be 12 into 4 sets. So if you want to increase the reps and make it 15 into 3 sets, okay? So this will be the workout. So see this properly, you can see, right? So keep on doing. So 15 into 3 or 12 into 4. So this will be the reps. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel, okay guys? So keep doing with us right now. So guys, this is the other variation. If you want to see, keep your dumbbell joint like this and go up and down. So if you can't balance that word, please alternate it and try to do like this. So please check this form. So keep your dumbbell more closer and join it and go up and down. Same as that only, but if you want to balance it, please try to join these two dumbbells together and try to do this. So this is the other variation guys, if you want to make it alternate. Okay, so same reps and same variation, okay? Yeah guys, see this is the alternate way. So second variation, okay? So please try to reverse the dumbbell and try to do. So once you done skull crush, right, like opposite means it will focus on your inner triceps. So this one reverse, if you tried, means it will focus on your outer triceps. So try to do this reverse also, same as that. So it will work both sides. So keep doing like this. So just see this form. So make your hand reverse word and try to go up and down. Same as this form will be bit changed by your hand itself. So keep doing guys. So reps will be 15 into 3 sets, okay? Yep. So guys, here we go with the third variation. So it's kickback. So we are going to do superset. So one hand 10 and other hand 10 and double handed 10. So this will be the workout. So we are doing one side now 10. See from the back side and we'll alternate to the other hand. Please change the hand and try to do 10. 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes guys, now let's do double hand. 1. So bend a bit more down and try to do 10. So keep on doing guys. Keep on doing with us. So yeah, this is the form. Please check the ones and please try to do with us. Yes, stop. Yep. 2. Yeah, last 2. Yes, done. Go with the other variation. It's a fourth variation. So do like keep a dumbbell like diamond word and do the kickback and come back and down. Yes, alternate it. So go down. See, you have all joint pain and all, just avoid this exercise, okay? So please don't strain and do. So this is the other type of workout. Please try this. Yeah, last 2 more, it's enough. Just showing you guys, this is kind of difficult one only. Please try to do it if it's possible. Yes, we go with the fifth variation. It's like tricep stretch. So you should hold your hand and try to concentrate on the triceps and go up and down. The reps will be 30 into 3 sets, 30, okay? So keep on doing like this. So concentrate, give more pressure on the triceps. So see more closer, you can see that. So once you are coming back, make your triceps tight or make it lock and go forward and do this. So keep on doing like this, 30. So mainly focus on your triceps and go back. Give more pressure on your triceps. Yes, so done. Guys, here we go with the sixth variation. It's like tricep extension, so overhead extension. So keep on doing. So one side will be 12 and other side will be also 12. So alternate it and try to do this. So the workout is like this. So keep your head straight and try to focus more on the triceps and try to do like this. Yes, keep doing, keep doing. Yeah, let's alternate the hand to the other hand. Yep. So same as this. So keep on doing. Full straight. So elbows should be straight like this, should not move. So straight, concentrate on the triceps and try to do like this. Yes. Yes. With the last variation, 7th one. So it's a dip. So keep on doing fast, bit fast. I mean, so the dips will be 20 into 3. For more videos, please follow us and support us. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye guys.